is a town square in the crowded heart of the city, just off the busy Kalverstraat next to the Amsterdam Museum. It hides a magical oasis. Surrounded by traditional Amsterdam townhouses with only 2 discreet entrances is the amazing Begijnhof. A secret village in the city centre, which was once an island surrounded by canals. It's a private residential community created as a sanctuary for women. Established in the early 1300s, around about the same time as the Miracle of Amsterdam, the beautiful and medieval village supports 47 townhouses, 2 churches, a village green and approximately 140 residents. Hi, welcome back again. Well, I just thought as we're in the area, let's just check out the Begijnhof. I thought it would be nice just to come and have a quick look, but apparently so is everybody else on the planet. Let's see if we can squeeze in. As it is a private residence, the doors close to the public early every evening for some much needed respite from the thousands of tourists who flood here every day. The Hof, however, is such a quiet and beautiful place. It's like we're being transported to another place and time, far from the overcrowded city. These original idents are nicely preserved and display biblical references. These idents were used to help identify an address instead of using house numbers or postcodes. The oldest wooden house in Amsterdam, one of only 2 remaining in the city, after the Great Fires of course, which promoted the use of masonry. Built approximately 1528, it's a perfect vision of how Amsterdam used to look. Due to the Alteration of Amsterdam in 1578, the Catholic city government were deposed, Catholic buildings were seized, and worshippers were forced to meet in secret. The hidden church was developed from 2 existing townhouses in 1671. It still holds services today and is currently known as the Miracle Church, which is part of the annual Miracle of Amsterdam Stille Omgang, the silent pilgrimage. The amazing stained glass windows storyboard the last 700 years of local history and cannot be seen from outside. Everything in the Hof is free to see, but quiet and respect is required as people actually live here, and the crowds become overwhelming. The English Reformed Church took over this beautiful medieval building in 1607 after the Alteration. It was actually built several hundred years earlier. The original church was damaged during the Great Fires of Amsterdam, and the building we see today was renovated just after the Second Great Fire of 1452. The church was fondly referenced by Vincent van Gogh in one of his letters. Queen Elizabeth II of England and Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands visited here in 2007. The stained glass windows depict scenes of local pilgrim fathers leaving for the New World on the Mayflower. The sickle of the Grim Reaper is actually one of the gravestones of the Begijns, and the pulpit was actually designed by Piet Mondrian. Finally, we see the grave in the gutter, Sister Cornelia Arends. Since the Alteration, she deemed the church as being desecrated and was finally laid to rest here in the gutter, next to the church, but within the Hof. Mostly unnoticed today, many tourists still actually walk over her without even noticing. The last of the owning family, Sister Antonia, died in 1971. The Begijnhof is a fine example of local beauty and history in this amazing place hidden behind the shops and the squares of the bustling city. If you want to know more about the Alteration of Amsterdam, check my film The Hidden Church. See the other wooden house in the secrets of the Red Light District. And if you want to see any more hidden Hofjes, just check out my film The Secret Gardens. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little video, and if so, please like, subscribe, and say hello!